Hello everyone, welcome to the new video tutorial of Flutter series. This video tutorial is only for those who are interested or who want to push their code on the GitHub and some other repository which help us fill for any purpose. It's just not for one. So if you are not one of them who want to use a Git or you already use a familiar with a Git or GitHub, so this video is not for you. So you can skip that video and watch the another one in this playlist. So let's start the video. It's going to be quite short. I'm just let you introduce that how we can use a GitHub and Git version control system in a VS Code Studio, and that is because the earlier playlist I made is completely based on Android Studio, and you can see there are a lot of tutorials on YouTube which will let you understand that how you can use a version control system in applications. But this is the first time I'm getting a video tutorial with the help of VS Code Studio, because people a lot are asking me that please provide the information that how we can use a VS Code Studio and how we can make the Flutter application in it. So that's why I'm decided to go forward and use a Visual Code Studio for the you guys. So what we have to do, we have to use a VCS, means Version Control System, and currently I'm using the Git. So here you can see there is some options in a VS Code Studio. We have to go here, the third one, source control is already showing. One, if you use it first time, it will show so connect with a GitHub. Click on hit, and the first of all, I just forget, you have to download a Git if you don't install it. If you have Git already installed, that's perfect. If you do not have a Git installed, go to download Git, download it according to your device. If you're using the Windows one, you have to download the Windows. In Mac one, if you have OS or Macs, so this depend on your machines, on your needs. So when you download, you have to install it, and then once you install, you are good, you are done, and you're ready to take off. Open your Visual Studio, go here, and when you here start it first time, it will show that connect to Git repository or fetch something from the Git repository and push something on the Git repository. So click on the push, because we have to push. When you have to click on push, it will redirect you to the browser which your default browser for the which will be your default browser for the VS Studio codes. It will redirect you there. There you have to authorize to use the GitHub with the help of ID password, your GitHub ID password, and once you done, you are get connected and ready to launch your things. So how we can put, we already showed that once you do not commit anything. Hope you are familiar. I'm just making the video with help to it understand, but keep in mind that you are familiar with the GitHub and repositories, and just we are trying to teach you that how we can use and how we can push the code from your local repository to the global one. Just if you are beginners, I recommend you to watch some other video, because this is not for you. So once you goes here and see there's some changes available, and here you can see the commit message. So I'm testing the test commit. You can anything that you want as a commit message, and click it here and mark it save. Stage here is everything, so you get the stage. So go to your change. Here you can see just one thing is showing that is changed from the last commit, and this and the current one is the Android folder. Android folder, this is the build grader. So what I'm doing, go to change, click on the right mouse buttons, and here you say stage all changes. Click on it, and it shows some process here. Once it completely done, click it and save, and this will commit your last message. Now what we have to do, we have to push it on a server. To click on push, go to this button. Here you can see the view and more actions, and here you can see the option is push. To click on it and start pushing something on a repository. If that repository is not like to predictably no depend. Here one more thing, would you like to code periodically run and fetch git fetch. It depends on you that you want or not. For default, if you do not understand, that means click it on no or ask me later. So I'm going here and go here and click on push. Once you start click on push, it will start pushing your dark code in a local repository to the global one. Here you can see this option is already available here. These are the branches. If you click here, you can either create a new branch and then and put it here and put it the earlier one. Depend on you. If it's still reaching that branch, the code will get pushed on that branch. So this is the basic information that how we can use the Git and version control system in a VS Code Studio. One more thing that is a good news for you. In the last video, we did not put any code on the version control system on a GitHub repository, but on the going onward or forward in this video tutorial or for the upcoming video tutorials. Whenever I make some video on tutorials and do some code for make you understand, those code will get easy access to you by the help of that repository. Means I will put each and every line of code in a repository according to a class, and you can download it from the respective repository from the GitHub. So let's end this video here. Thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and please do not forget to share and watch the video if you like it. Thanks.